I'm Damien Rio, and we are going to continue playing Fallout 4. Oh god, so many things have gone wrong with me just trying to boot up this fucking game. Oh, I think this was not meant to be.
Don't forget the price we paid to get this far.
What the fuck are you?
Let's move out. I'll take point. Stay close, everyone.
We're right behind you, boss.
Wait, I'm supposed to go with you? The buildings from the place you were at were a lot more livable. They were a lot less damaged. So honestly, this is kind of a downgrade, I'll be honest. Like, this is a downgrade.
Excuse me.
I'm glad you decided to come with us. I should have listened to Mama Murphy all along. Pretty nice place she's found for us. I think we could settle down. Make it a place to call home. What do you think? But I've got another favor to ask. I've had word from a settlement asking for help. There's still hope in there are Minutemen out there.
I'm not a Minuteman.
Somewhere.
No.
The only chance to start rebuilding the Minutemen is to show people
I am
that they can
not a
count on us
Minuteman.
when
Your
we
crew
need
is
us. Trouble
fucked.
is, I've got my hands full here. Do you think you could go help out with
No. No, I'm not going to
Sounded
help
like
you.
the usual. Raiders. You'll have to get all the details when you talk to them.
Oh, good. I was hoping for a chance to rescue some more helpless villagers.
It's not that people are helpless. They just need someone to give them a helping hand sometimes. That's what the Minutemen are supposed to be all about. By the
Oh
way,
shit, I got a lot of
around here at all,
XP from being sarcastic.
I'm sure he'd be glad for all the help he can get.
Welly, I knew you'd join us here, kid. Your energy is tied to this place.
Wait, fuck.
Stop it. That's none of your business.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I know to you it's private, but for me I can see it plain as day. You leaving that icebox, waking up in a world that's not yours. The site can help you, kid. It always has answers. Just gotta bring me some jet so I can see what it wants to tell
I
you.
am not being your... You know... I am not giving you...
You're an addict. You need help.
Oh, not this again. Kid, listen to me. I'm old, even older than you think. If the chems are gonna kill me, then I say I've had a good run. We'd have never made it this far without
I mean...
the site. We need it.
Thing is, it's everybody's choice. Like, if they want to take drugs, they can. I'm not gonna threaten you.
Isn't there any way you can use the site without chems?
Let me tell you a story, kid. Once, there was a beautiful young girl with a special power. Used to get in all kinds of crazy adventures. She meets a handsome young boy, but he doesn't like her power. Thinks it makes her a slave.
What kind of man did you
evil.
meet?
And so, the power goes away, and it's not there when the girl and the boy need it most. Now the boy's gone and the girl is old. But she has friends, and her power keeps them safe. That's all that
You
matters.
mean... You got a boyfriend? I'm not gonna, like, persuade her to stop or threaten her to stop. Like, it's her own fucking thing.
Using chems is your choice.
Damn right it is.
Hello?
You willing to do some work?
No.
What kind of help do you need?
Well, for starters, we could use some real beds. We've been sleeping on the ground for too long.
How about... Yeah, like...
Why do you need my help to build beds?
Look, we got a lot on our plate, and we've been on the run for weeks. We need food, water, shelter.
That is
you name
none
it.
of my
Well, you asked how
fucking
you could help.
business.
I told you. Did you mean it or not?
Do I look like a carpenter to you?
I don't
Yeah.
know what you look like. You said you were willing to help. Making beds is what we need help with.
I'd be glad to help.
Okay.
To progress
Maybe.
this fucking
Just
story,
make sure we can sleep with a
sure.
roof over our heads. Some of these old houses still look solid enough to do the trick. There's a workbench over there you can use. Give me a holler if you need anything.
Can I do it again? Okay. That was a bit of a failure. Word size 8. Block line live. Rank hard. Term lead. Geo. Okay, what has the most? A. This A is the most. Okay, so it's not an A. It does not have an A in it. Shit. So there's no A, no rank, no size. So there's no K, so it's not lock. Word, it could be word. Aid. No, it's an A. Line, no, it doesn't have an E. Hard. No, it doesn't have an A. Lead, no. Geo, no, it's E. Lake. Find, no, it doesn't have an okay, so it should be word.
I'm in.
Yeah. Okay. Sanctuary Hills. Oh, all the people who lived here. Totally high-strung and needs to relax. I keep telling him that, offering to help, but so far, no dice. By the looks of the guy, he's self-medicating with pie. That rhymed. Baker. My favorite tinfoil hat wearing job. Good for 7 ampules of day trip a week. Guess he's a one-of-a-kind guy. Whatever helps the man groove. Okay. So, one is overeating, another is taking drugs. Okay. Still trying to get her some buff out. Didn't expect the rations to affect this, but it is what it is. Huh? What is buff out? I want something called Psycho. I'm not sure the stuff even exists. And if it does, do I really want this Neanderthal using it? Guess it depends on how much he's willing to spend. I'll put some feelers out to my army connections, see where it goes. Okay, is Psycho the drug? Because I had a Psycho. And did I give it to the old fucking lady right now? Shit. They still owe me for that last XL delivery. Occurred to me, was it even for them? Because, so, help me God, if I find out they're juicing out these dogs, we're going to have words out more than money. Words about more than money. But we'll probably be on words anyway. I know they have a floor safe in there. I've seen it. Master bedroom, under the dresser. Can't be that tough to crack. Okay. Where is this? Master bedroom, under the dresser. Okay. So somewhere in the bedroom under the dresser, there's a hiding spot. Still good for a couple hits of oh daddy-o a week. Pretentious, pseudo-intellectual asshole, but his money's good. I love how he has all the beef on everybody. Wants Medex, as much as I can get. Hasn't told me why. Not really my business. Guessing there's some sort of a long-term pain management going on? Disease? Kids are usually a no-go, but this girl's got style, and she's not interested in getting tweaked. Don't be interested in children. Order 20 blood packs. Some Halloween stunt or something. Or, hell, maybe she's really a vampire. Why do I care? She's got her daddy's money. Why did she get 20 blood packs? Some students at CIT want a day tripper, excel an entire pallet, yes, pallet of mentats. Not sure if he's doing some crazy experiments, dealing to the other eggheads, or on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Don't care, as long as the money's good. This man, this is a businessman. Young married couple. Go for a couple day tripper per week. Easy order, cool people, no brainer. Cop. Long-time buff-out customer, running into supply problems. We've had a good thing for years. I hate to end it now. I don't exactly want to risk him getting all noble and law-abiding if he can't get what he wants. That would end very badly for me. Oh, yeah. The old lady has upped her daddy-o order. Weird, but profitable. Miscellaneous. Potential new customer in Charlestown. Wants medic. Seems oddly desperate. Might be a cop trying too hard. Need to move slowly. Underwear model from Braintree. Beautiful, intelligent, totally weird. All she's ever wanted is stim packs. 10 plus per week. My imagination continues to run wild. Maybe she's just, you know, in the business, I guess. Okay. No? Okay.
Got it.
Anti-freeze ball. Laundered blue dress. Wait, can I put the blue dress on? Can I put it on? I kind of want to wear it and see how it look like. Wait. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh god, what kind of boots do I have? Do I have like some fucking... Okay, there's a trainers. Oh, hell yeah, boy. Okay, I am dripped out. Yeah, I didn't look at the log entries before because I only hacked it and left. Okay, after hours tomfoolery. The last time, the red coat mannequin display are not toy soldiers and are not to be played with after hours. Oh, shut up. If I lived in the museum, I would probably like move them around to scare the other security guards. Two of them have scuffed paint, and this morning one of the foot regiment pieces was missing his arm. Okay, that is... Okay, you can play with them, but don't damage them. This sort of horsing around will not be tolerated. Anyone caught engaging in such behavior will be written up, docked on hours pay, and charged for damages. I mean, this is a thing like playing with stuff while being, you know, cautious to not damage it. And that I think is fine. But like, you have to realize it's not yours and, you know, don't destroy it. Roach is in the basement. Someone got maintenance down in the basement to deal with that roach. Someone get maintenance down in the basement to deal with their roach problem. Do it now, on the down low, while the museum is open. Discretion is key. We cannot afford to close the museum again. Nor is it acceptable for a child to find a cockroach in her hair as she's learning about taxation without representation. This situation must be resolved immediately. I didn't meet any cockroaches down there. After meeting with the director and the board of trustees, I'm afraid I must deliver some rather dire news. Our planned Anchorage exhibition has been put on indefinite hold. It's simply not within the museum's budget at this time to make the renovations necessary to accommodate such an ambitious endeavor. My thanks to the curatorial and maintenance teams for all of the work that has been done thus far. This is Megan Hayes. I'm the tour guide here at the Concord Museum of Freedom. I'm so scared. Everyone saw the flashes. They left. Even Mr. Nash. He just ran away and left me here. Jerk. And then one of those army helicopter things crashed into the roof. I saw soldiers. They looked freaked out. I just hid from them. I've only been in Massachusetts a month. I don't really know anyone, and I don't know where to go. I broke the lock on the curator's desk and took the gun. I'm going to hide in one of the rooms for a few days until things calm down. Somebody reads this. Please come find me, but if you try to hurt me, I swear I'll shoot you. Dog? Oh, he's so cute. Everything okay? Let's go.
Come on, boy. It's time to go.
Okay, I'm gonna take you back to Sanctuary. Floor jack. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you found the ball. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Oh, I'm fucking crying. Oh, it's so cute. It's so fucking cute. Okay, I will scrap everything that like irritates me. Guess I shouldn't go through the woods. But like thicket excavations. What the fuck? Whoa. Whoa, okay. How do I get slowly down so that doggo can follow me down? Oh, there's 3 roads over here. I want to go here and like explore this part, but I don't think there's going to be anything. I just think like it's genuinely just like, you know, them excavating some rocks. Okay, just some druggies. Dirty water. Sugar bombs, I mean... It's not really anything I want. Ooh! Oh, I love reading these. Okay. Thicket excavations. Shipment log. 88, 16, 17, 315 tons. Okay. Play tape. Oh, more games? Oh, Sully's log. This is a great spot. With the right crew, I'd have no problem keeping this place locked down. Traders run close enough for easy pickings, but not so close that we end up skinned. The whole damn thing's filled with water though. Figures. There's always a catch. Big ass drainage pump looks mostly intact. If I'm lucky, it might still work. Gonna take a closer look tomorrow. Nope. Not gonna be that easy. Still, pump is in a better shape than you'd think. I'd like to head back and grab some tools, but it's pretty late. I'll tinker with it some before I bed down tonight, then head out in the morning. Did this person just like find this place and start using it? Shouldn't be too hard now. I'm glad I grabbed that sledge, even if it was a bitch to carry all this way. Thing was rusted tight. Few good whacks with the sledge cleared that problem right away. Things made the damnedest sound each time though. You'd swear something was moving around in there. It probably is. I was able to make most of the connections. Patched up all the pipe leaks I could find, besides the ones in the water. All the noise I've been hearing, I'm not setting foot in there. I'll probably head back and drag one of the new guys over here and make him do it. Is there something in there? Okay, that made me a bit unsettled. Taboo tattoos. Nice. Permanently unlock a new unique facial tattoo. What? I can have a hello?
Hey.
Looking to earn some caps? I could use a hand here if you're all done gawking, you know.
Help you with what, exactly?
I'm trying to fix this old water pump. Should be plenty of scrap in here. If I can get it drained out.
I
What do
can
you need
help.
with?
The pump isn't in top shape, but it should at least start. There must be some leaky connections flooding me out. Think you could fix them? The leaks will be underwater. Look for bubbles, and you should find them.
Am I supposed to go, like, into the fucking water? Bro, what? Wait, I'm supposed to be like going into the water? I mean, I can see a leak right there. But like, I'm not fucking insane. I'm not going into that radiation-filled water. Especially when you said you hear some weird noises and you ain't going in there. So there's probably gonna be an enemy. I ain't taking that risk. I'll just have a look. What is this? When you have these like open world games, you don't really know kind of what levels to expect in some areas. Oh, that's more of them goats. Oh, that's an attack dog over there. Oh, those are not friendly people, huh? Okay, I'll just fuck off there, I guess. I'm sorry, my bad. Seems like there will be a lot more shit here. It looks like not a good idea for me. The arrow says up. And now I'm curious to see what's up. Oh, the arrow's pointing. Oh, that's not a good sign. Is it? It's not a good sign. But I am getting closer to wherever the fuck I'm supposed to be, so maybe... Maybe it is a good sign? Gosh, but this makes me like so nervous. Like jittery. Especially this being so overgrown. Oh, these just look like people to me. Like very, very tall people. 10 Pines Buff. Oh, this is the place where I was supposed to talk to the people, right? Oh, there's a living human.
What do you want? We don't need any more trouble.
Oh, hello.
Didn't you ask the Minutemen for help?
You're with the Minutemen? I didn't really think you fellas still existed.
No, I'm not with
We
the
sent
Minutemen.
word with one of them passing traders. But honestly, I never expected anything to come of it. Most people don't put much stock in the Minutemen these days. After Quincy. Bad business, that.
What's the trouble?
Is there something you need my help with?
Oh, yeah. I'm damn glad you're here. There's a raider gang that's been giving us trouble
Oh.
for weeks. Stealing food and supplies. Threatening to kill us all if we don't pony up. We know where they're coming from. But we can't go up against a gang like that.
Do you want to
Will you be
join?
willing to join the Minutemen once I've dealt with those raiders?
We'll certainly give it a good long think. People have gotten used to not being able to count on you folks. That's not going to change overnight.
I mean, I'm not a Minuteman,
Just a
but
bad dream.
that seems
Something
like
about
it
a
will get
death
more
claw tearing
villagers
up
to
the
my
place.
place.
I couldn't stay asleep after that.
Something about a death claw?
Another day of hard work. It never changes. Crop's been growing pretty good lately.
Lady, could you tell me more
Dangerous
about that
looking
death claw?
Hope you ain't here for me.
No, could you tell me more about that death claw? Because I'm not dealing with the death claw. Oh, I can go inside. Oy, 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 oy. I am so sorry, my guy. Fuck, you're feral. I did not see that motherfucker. It takes so long for like the battle music to stop. Yeah, when I say I'm fucking blind, I ain't joking around. Piss. God, the music really is like kicking in. Can I see any more of them from here? Metal bucket, no, I don't really need that. Okay, can I read it? Yeah, Bedford Station. A critical failure in the track switching system has been detected. Please clear the tracks. Well, the tracks ain't working anymore. Please choose an option. Activate lights, system diagnostics. Can I turn on the lights? Because it will help me in the dark, not gonna lie. But like, it will use energy. But because it's a fictional game, Ooh. I don't think we need the lights here, I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, just turn them off. I expected some different kind of lights. I expected them to be like around, you know, the railroad. But this is like only nearby, which is not really helpful. Come on, shut down. They're still shutting down. Okay, apparently they shut down. Sin diagnostics, 2 spotlights linked. Spotlights offline, no intruder detected. Okay. What next? Play tape.
It's past. She's late. No. Something's wrong. Someone's coming. Look. 5 of them. It's a trap. Damn it. They've got us surrounded. What do we do? I'll draw them off. Give me a count of 10, then break for the tree line. What? Dutchman, There's no time. Good luck, A9. 10, 9, 8, 7. No!
Whoop.
No. No. I'm not going back. I can't. I won't.
What? X. So they weren't killed by the ghouls. Rather, they were killed by the raiders. Hello? Are they just ghouls or are they like actual humans here? Music point. Oh, the music really started up.
Yes. Not seeing anyone apparently. Kickball, laundered rose dress. I kind of want to give the ball to Doggo. Chess. God, my wallpaper became Barodor? Oh. This would be a really nice place to live at. Holy shit, these people must have been stacked with cash. Can I actually sleep in the bed? Ah! I was actually sleeping like next to the fucking corpse. Like, no shame. Just sleeping next to the corpse. Holy shit. I'm so sorry, dog, that you had to see that. I'm an actual bastard. Jangles the moon monkey. Holy shit. Can I just like place it somewhere? Toy corner.
Locked tight.
Restricted area? This looks like a house. Why is this locked tight? I'm hearing weird noises. Holy shit. This was humongous. Oh wait, this was like... Was this like a research facility? Like they have all of these things. Was this just...
Lock's really strong.
Oh. Oh. Dog, come on. Was this like an actual research facility? Holy shit. There's a lot of wheelchairs everywhere. Which makes me think that this was like a senior home, but why would it have the things it has? What's up, boy? There's so many questions. Oh, I'm so sad the computer doesn't work here. Like, this shit is interesting. Like, what was this place? Okay, if a file like this is here, that means there are people maintaining it. Because files like that, they need maintenance. So, are there like people over here? God, that is so dystopian. Just like that factory up ahead. Huh. Oh, I can't open that. Is that climatization? Huh. Lexington? But wait, so that one house was completely different to all the others? Also, it had really sad music, so it almost seems like this was like a really happy place. Like, just, well, huh?
Nothing there now.
Raiders come. I'm trying to figure out where the fuck this gun is, like... Okay. Where are you? Oh, you're there, okay. No. I'm trying to, like, figure out what is, like, the sweet spot for this gun. Okay, come on, boy, come on. Okay.
Hey. How you doing, buddy? Hey, boy. You know any tricks?
Oh, what a good boy. Okay. So... let's go here. Okay. No, come here. Come here. No. You're going to have to sit through this one because you...
Hey.
No. No.
Wait there.
Wait. Fucking hell. Okay. Okay, I'll get to this, okay? Bye-bye.